First, turn off your iPhone. Open up your phone with a pentlobe screwdriver. Remove the bottom two screws from the phone. Lift up on the screen with a suction cup and slide plastic pry between the metal face of the screen and the phone. There is adhesive surrounding the screen and the frame, so go ahead and slide plastic pry tool between the two and separate them. That makes it easier to lift off the screen from the frame. Use a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew two screws, and remove the metal plate. Remove the battery cable. There are 4 screws holding down this metal plate. I remove those 4 screws, lift off the metal plate, and then use blue crowbar disconnect each of these little ribbon cables. We can remove the battery sticker now. Use tweezers to pick up the battery sticker. Be careful, pull straight out the bottom when you remove the battery sticker. Use the battery sticker cover the DEJIMAX battery. First, plug the battery cable into the place, and then put the battery inside to the housing tightly. And there is a front-facing camera, a LCD, and a digitizer. Once they are plugged into the place, they are like little Legos. Before putting down the metal plate, have to test to see if the screen is working. If the screen light up and show white apple, and then check with battery healthy, show 100% health or not. Turn off the phone and put the metal plate back. Tighten 4 screws. Note has a long screw and a short screw. Don't make it wrong place. Put back the battery metal plate and tighten 2 screws. Also has a long screw and a short screw. Pull the screen to top of the housing first. Then I can slide my hand down the side of the screen to lock into place. Get 2 screws in the bottom. Okay, finished to replace the DEJIMAX battery already.